After 10 days of carving marble in Puerto Vallarta, I returned back home to Canada from the sweltering heat to the crisp autumn mornings. I love this time of year. It's October now and I have to think about the winter, which is just around the corner. I only have so many warm carving days left and I wanted to be strategic with my business, so I decided to do something that I'd been thinking about doing for a while. I spent a week filming my entire carving process of a small soapstone grizzly bear, which I will use to develop an Introduction to Soapstone Carving online course. I've looked around and I don't see too many online courses out there centered around soapstone carving. It's been really fun to start thinking about how to educate and share my carving process in a practical and structured way to help others get started or improve their own carving expression. I packaged and shipped off my small alabaster polar bear commission, which I received word today that it arrived safe and sound. I also spent a day doing some repairs on my offering hands piece that I carved out of Italian marble while in Puerto Vallarta. I've also been getting firewood prepped for the winter months and the cold days to come. The last few days I started work again on my standing grizzly bear. This piece has now just about seen every season, as I started this piece last spring, and it will likely get some snow, but my hope is to have this piece finished before winter. They're calling for snow on Monday. Get ready.